Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export your Spendee to Excel. So it is very simple. First of all, open up the Spendee app. Now go over here to these three dots which says More, click on that. Now scroll all the way down until you see Advanced, so click on Advanced, and then you can see Export right here. Click on Export and then choose which wallets you want to export, so you can click on all wallets, choose the period, so the last 30 days, last 90 days, last year, and choose a format. So in order to export to Excel you can click right here, but this requires premium, so make sure you have a premium, or choose CSV. So if you have a premium you can tap on Excel and then click on Export Data. And now, as you can see, your export is on its way. Within a few minutes, the export should arrive to your email address. Press and continue. It's really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.